dito hangin. Iba yung environment. Relax lang dito mga tao. Oy! Okay. Boarding na kami, guys. Yung mga bata may mga boarding passes na sila. So, ready na tayo. Ben, you have to scan the code, okay? The barcode. Did you see the barcode? Barcode. Ikaw, kuya.
Thank you. She's been here a long time. I know. I just checked if she was breathing. She's sleeping.
Go ahead. Okay, you go. 20.
Hello, welcome.
Hi.
Hey, nice to show you. Wow, there you go. You're welcome. Hi.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I spread out. Oh, I know, spread out from center.
The seatbelt sign is on, and anytime you are seated. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal pulley into the buckle until it clicks. Tight across your lap. To release, lift
Katabi
above
ng
your seat
banyo
and
at
angle
lang
like a
yung
twist.
mga
If
lalagyan
this
ng mga
happens,
chips.
remove the mask. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Tighten with the elastic band under the nose. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on first before having others. Like smoking, vaping, or the use of smokeless tobacco is not allowed on the aircraft, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or disturbing laboratory smoke detectors. A water lady is unlikely, but just in case, use cushion can be used for flotation to remove or put your arms through the straps and hug the cushion to your chest, as shown on the safety cushion can be found in the safety card. As we complete our final safety check, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened, is put away, and all.
One here and then next is us.
Messaging will be available on Wi-Fi. Available for purchase. Connect to enough Wi-Fi network to get started. We invite you to enjoy a variety of our complimentary Coca-Cola beverages on today's flight. Alcohol beverages are available for purchase. Sit with person, and there are no amounts of these at the side of Skypark. Before American Express, as a reminder, gaining personal alcohol around the world is not permitted. Sit back, relax, and enjoy flight.
Keep it down.
to Louisville. Local time is 2:57. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fully fastened until seatbelt sign has been turned off. Keep all clear of all carrying items and use caution with open mail garments. Items may have shifted. You may now use your cell service. You can use the Flyfaster app or any...
Alright, nandito na kami sa Kentucky. Pero 2-hour drive pa kami. 2-hour drive sa Indiana. So, hindi pa kami tapos. Ayun na, baby. Nabah na naman lakarin ka. Let's go. Alright. Okay then. Baggage claim muna tayo. Let's go.
Pockets, check your bags. If you lost your car keys, those car keys may be at the security checkpoint when you turn the corner.
Manny. Welcome to Louisville, Kentucky. Iba yung ano dito hangin. Iba yung environment. Relax lang dito mga tao. Oy! Are you okay? Ben, you okay? Yeah. Ben, that's why you have to look where you're going. You have to look where you're going. No. Dito yung Kentucky Fried Chicken. Dito. Dito. Benjamin. Ito na. You're gonna see the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Ito na yung Kentucky. Ayan. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Right there. Malabas na kami ng airport. Punta na kami sa... Ay, this is P. This is Garage P. Okay, so dito tayo sa Kamangay. Lakad na naman. Dito na ulit kami sa Kentucky, pero lakad na naman kami. Come on. Watch out. There's a car. Dito yung parking, guys. Malaki yung parking. Actually, itong airport na to maliit. Hindi siya kasing laki ng pinuntahan namin sa New York, na LaGuardia. Pero definitely mas malaki tong airport na to. Nasa dun sa airport namin. Surface P. Huh? I don't think it's here. We're H, ano? So, kailangan dito tayo. Parking access. Guys, so iniwan namin yung sasakyan. Kailangan namin magbayad. Hindi pa namin alam kung magkano. Yung the whole time yung araw na pinark doon. Oh yeah, that's where we stayed at. Doon kami nag-stay dun sa hotel doon. Alright guys, ano na tayo? Pauwi na tayo. 2 hours yung biyahe. 1 hour behind dito. Ay, ano ba? Oh, so, is this our clock? Okay. So, dito sa 2:39. Sa Kentucky at sa New York, 1 hour ahead. So, ngayon, 3:39 na sa New York at dito sa Kentucky. Pero, dun sa amin is 2:39 pa lang. 1 hour behind kami. So, nakatipid tayo ng 1 oras. So, pupunta muna tayo sa Trader Joe's. Mamalengke muna tayo.
Head northwest for Toll Plaza Road.
Dahil nung umalis kami, dahil lang kung alis kami, hindi kami namalengke. So, online na tira natin. Pero meron pa pagkain doon. Punta tayo ngayon sa Trader Joe's. Sa aking paboritong grocery store. At mamalengke tayo. Dahil wala na kaming pagkain. Since andito na rin kami, meron sila ditong Trader Joe's. Sa amin, wala. Sa lugar namin sa Indiana. Sa New York yan, meron yan. Trader Joe's, Whole Foods. Dito, sa Louisville, saka sa iba pa. Pero sa amin talaga wala. Maraming wala sa amin. Gaya ng 7-Eleven, wala din sa amin. So malengke muna tayo para hindi na tayo mamalengke bukas. Since andito na rin tayo, nasa labas na tayo. Okay guys, see you later. Yung parking nila ng Louisville. How do you pronounce it? Louisville?
In 800 feet, continue straight to stay on Toll Plaza Road.
Louisville. So dito, tingnan natin magkano yung ating ticket, parking ticket sa mga araw na iniwan natin yung ating sasakyan.
$63.
Wow. Hey, that's not bad.
Well,
Dun sa amin dun sa airport namin, guys, dati is almost 200. So 63. Not too bad. $63 lang. Para ka lang kumain sa restaurant. Trader Joe's.